How to deposit in MEXC Global using Gcash. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can deposit any crypto on MEXC Global by using your Gcash account. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is make sure that your Gcash account is already been verified for you to be able to run and use them anywhere. Now open up your MEXC Global, and then once you're here, the second step of creating an account is you need to deposit. Choose on deposit, and then in here you will have four options. Simply choose an on-chain deposit, choose your desired crypto, and then on the next page choose your network, and then you will automatically be generated with a QR code. All you have to do to use this code is to scan it using your Gcash account, or you can have it saved or share the address, and then make sure to save this into your gallery and then upload it into your Gcash account and pay for the desired amount that you prefer. And that is how you deposit in MEXC Global using Gcash.